Hi everyone, welcome back here once again. I trust you're all doing well and fine. I am super excited to be sharing this recipe, carrot banku, with you all. This recipe was inspired by Sister Madam of Nanaba's Kitchen. I'll be sharing the link to her own recipe in my description below. Do well to check it out if you haven't already. Now, let's do this together. So following our recipe, I'll be using 300 grams of carrots. I peeled that already and washed it. I'm cutting it into small bits to help my blender. As she mentioned, it is important to blend your carrot first so that you don't have lumps in your paste, in your banku paste. All done now, into the blender the carrot goes, and then I'll be adding in half cup of water. What I also noticed is that you need to be very careful about water. Do not use more than that, else it will be too watery. So now I'm blending. When it's smooth, I already measured out a cup of raw oats. Now I'm adding it into the blender, and also a pinch of salt goes in. She also used apple cider vinegar, but I am not using that. I'm skipping it because I don't have that in my kitchen at the moment. I'll just blend until all is very smooth. Now all is ready. Into the pot it goes, and then I'll move it onto the gas top and stir. We want to be very careful while stirring. Don't move away, because in less than 5-10 minutes, under 10 minutes, it's actually ready. If you move away, you have lumps, and then it will be difficult for you to break it down. It's almost ready now. And truly, I enjoyed eating this. It was like not too sweet. With a pinch of salt, it balances out the taste. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to everyone who has been supporting me and watching my videos. And if you're new here, please click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified whenever I drop a video. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me your thoughts in the comment section. I would like to hear from you guys. So I just portioned it out, and I am going to be enjoying this with bitter leaf soup. That's what I made on the day I made this carrot banku or carrot swallow. I made bitter leaf soup. I have the recipe up already on my channel. If you haven't seen it, please do well to check it out as well. Thank you. See how beautiful it looks. Like very soft, beautiful, and it was really good. I enjoyed eating it. So now I'm just going to serve with my bitter leaf soup. Looking delicious already. So thank you, Sister Madam, for this recipe. It was really interesting being able to do this in my kitchen as well. For those who have watched to this point, I say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a part of my recipe practical today. I'll see you all in another video. Bye bye.